Lovely Pisceans, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Pisceans, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of October 2024. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, you would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling I was getting there were a lot of cards and those were repeated also in both the decks that were indicating conflicts. Okay, like a lot of conflicts, maybe some arguments, finding it difficulty in communicating or putting your point across. It could be a workplace situation. I mean, I have this gut feeling that it could be a workplace situation for many of you guys, because Two of Pentacles was repeatedly showing up alongside. Okay, if not, it could be a personal situation also for some of you. Okay, but yeah, really finding it difficult, and someone is like literally, you know, doesn't want to be on same page as you, and if you say east, that person will say west. Okay, that kind of energy I was getting, and you are literally struggling and juggling to strive balance. Okay, maybe you are overworked, you have a lot of responsibilities to take care, a lot of things to do, and you are like juggling a lot of balls in the air. Okay, I see someone finding it difficulty to find work-life balance. By the way, Two of Pentacles has been the stalker card for this month. Okay, it's been showing up in many of my readings. Okay, anyway, so there was Judgment card also, and it gave me feeling that probably Pisceans, you will get an opportunity, that one opportunity to make things right. Okay, you'll get your judgment day, or you'll get that time or opportunity wherein you can do something or say something which will set the record straight, or which will make things right for you or little better for you. Okay, so look, keep an eye or watch out and see what this opportunity is and make the best out of it. Okay, some of you guys, you know, someone might have blocked you, or you might have blocked someone like completely. You know, you could be in a no communication mode with someone out there. Okay, what was there? 5 was repeated a lot. 5 of Swords, 7 of Wands. What else did I see? I think by far those were the messages that were like coming through repeatedly, Pisceans, for you guys. Okay, and now before we begin or move on to our main reading, I have a disclaimer to make, that I have changed the pattern of the reading this month. Okay, I'll be pulling out health card, career card, and relationship / general cards. Okay, followed by an affirmation message and a few tarot charms. The reason being that the reading gets really lengthy, and seeing the attention span these days for people or of people, it's getting shorter and shorter day by day, and so I thought of experimenting. If you do like this, do let me know. If you don't like this, and if you want me to revert to old pattern, then also do let me know. Okay, with that, let's get started guys, and let's see what we have for you in the main reading. And this is it. Okay, the Libra card and the Temperance card. Wow, oh my god, I have pulled major arcanas right away. Okay, right away, right at the beginning. There you go, another major arcana. One more major arcana is there. My goodness, what is happening with you guys? Okay, I'll take this, but definitely it's quite interesting. Yeah, so let's begin guys, and let me just keep this overall energy over here. Yeah, so your health card is showing up as the Libra energy Justice card. So I told you, right, you know, by the way, I had seen Two of Wands also. Again, again a number 2, and guys, probably there is something related to balance. Okay, there is some imbalance somewhere out there, and you are actually striving to strike that balance. Okay, work life balance is missing, or the balance between healthy eating and binge eating or junk eating is missing, or the balance in workouts is missing. Okay, maybe you are either exercising way too much, which is again not good, or you are exercising way too less, way too little, or not at all. But whatever this balance card is telling you about, or in whichever areas it is applying to you, that needs to be corrected. Okay, there is no balance somewhere. Maybe emotional and practical balance is missing. Okay, and what happens is when our emotional stability or mental stability is impacted, it also starts cascading on our health. Okay, and that's why it's very important to take care of emotional or mental well-being as well. Okay, spiritual well-being as well. It's not just physical fitness, but other things also come under fitness umbrella. So yes, try to strike that balance, guys. If at all you feel that you are overworking, and which is surely the case for some of you guys. I have been seeing 2 of Pentacles so many times in your reading, in your pre-shuffling, that I am very much sure that you guys definitely are overworking. One, you are not able to spend enough time with your family. That could be the case. Work-life balance is missing. So like I said, it has a ripple effect. You don't get time to work out, maybe then you don't get time to cook healthy or eat healthy food. Maybe you are sitting for long. So all these things has its own repercussions. So just be a little mindful and correct whatever is needed in terms of balance. Now, why I'm moving on to your career energy, guys. Immediately, because see, again, this is a Temperance card. Okay, Sagittarian energy. Now why balance is crucial in your energy? Because again, these 2 cards are similar cards, and they are talking about balance only. Okay, the Temperance here, which is showing up in your career / work / finances position, it is again asking you to keep or have patience. Okay, I believe that I have this hunch, Pisces, that someone out there is kind of testing your patience big time. Okay, at workplace, because that's the kind of energy that was coming through very strongly while pre-shuffling also, and someone probably could be getting on your nerves as well. If not professional, it could be a personal situation for some of you guys. But to me, somehow this looks like more of a professional this thing. So don't lose your patience. I know it might be very testing. I mean, I myself feel so agitated sometimes because of work politics or office politics or things not being fair. Okay, but sometimes you just have to, like, you have no option but to keep patience or have patience and kind of balance our chakras instead. Because many times in professional world especially, you cannot, this is truth, the fact, it's a universal fact, whatever I'm going to say next, but more it becomes more trickier when it comes to professional interactions, that you cannot change what other person is doing, or you cannot change other person's actions. So all you need to do is mend your ways, your actions, your way of thinking. Okay, so that's what this Temperance is saying. Sagittarian energy, maybe you have Libra or Sagittarius in your birth chart, or maybe you could be dealing with a fellow Libra or Sagittarian energy. It is asking you to keep patience, have that balance, do not lose your cool. Okay, and try to meditate a little. Piscean energy, your own energy is showing up over here. So definitely something is testing your patience big time, and little meditation, little deep breaths, like literally I can actually see someone clenching his or her fist and like, what do I do about this person, what do I do about this situation? And I can actually feel someone feeling so agitated that you a couple of long deep breaths, belly breathing might actually help you down, okay, help you calm down, and that is really needed is what I'm getting. So that's what your career career card is energy is telling about. Little testing time, something that will kind of test your resilience and commitment, okay, is what is showing up in your career reading. Moving on to your love/general messages. Now there is High Priestess, your own energy. There is Six of Wands. I'm happy to see the Six of Wands, and there is Three of Pentacles. Now guys, one thing I'm getting very sure is that very soon, or in the near future, or even currently, even if you don't feel that right now, things are going to be in your favor. Luck is in your favor is what I'm getting very strongly, Pisces. No matter how many hurdles, no matter how many obstacles, you are going to be victorious at the end of the day is what I'm getting, okay, because universe is working hand in hand, or it's working in parallel with you is what I'm getting, okay. Also, some of you guys could be working on a project with a team of 3 people probably, and you could be collaborating with people with different skill sets, and I think this is something which you have already implemented, okay. I mean, this project or this work or this assignment or whatever whatever it is that you have taken in hand, okay, you are almost done with that, and it's going to gain you a lot of accolades and lot of recognitions and rewards is what I'm getting, okay, because victory is what is I'm getting very strongly, and it's a teamwork that was done, but definitely something that is going to be a good feather in your cap in terms of your career, okay, and you're going to definitely get recognition for whatever work that you have done currently. High Priestess, like I said, is your own energy. It is telling that guys, some of you guys might your subconscious might be very active right now is what I'm getting. I had seen Four of Swords as well, okay. There is something that is there at your subconscious level. This moon energy is also telling me that things are appearing different at surface level, but there is something running deep down, okay, more water running deep down, and you have that hunch and you have that nudge that there is more to this than what meets the eye, okay, and probably your inner being or your subconscious is trying to tell you something. You are not able to bring it out at a conscious level, or you're not able to point it out what it is, but you have an intuition about same thing. Please pay attention to that, okay. Just maybe try to meditate a little, or try to calm down a little and give it a fresh start, fresh thought, and maybe you'll get that answer. But there is something, there is a nudge for something about some situation or person for you in your mind, okay. Moon energy, Scorpion energy showing up over here, and do not take things at face value is what I'll tell you for some of you guys, okay. There definitely is more than what you're seeing, okay. So that is one thing that I was getting, okay. And I was about to tell you something, guys. Yeah, the Judgment card that I had seen while pre-shuffling, okay, and that also tells me again, like, some of you guys are going to get a second chance or an opportunity to make things right, and that is going to be click for you, okay. It's going to be the game changer for you. That could be the point or opportunity which will give you this victory, or will put you into this victory phase, okay. Yeah, that's what I was about to tell you. Moving on, some of you guys might be you guys might, yeah, there is two. I didn't notice this. There is Two of Cups and there is Lovers card, Gemini card, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and more. So Scorpio is what I'm getting, guys. You guys might be meeting your lover or your soulmate, okay, your forever kind of a person very soon, or that person could be in your energy somewhere is what I'm getting. Maybe you are not aware of that person yet, okay. Maybe that person is seeing you and has feelings for you, but has not shown up, has not come up forward and expressed. But I think that person will come through, or come to you very soon is what I'm getting, guys. Likely to be a Piscean or a Scorpion or Gemini is what I'm getting. Yeah. definitely. I feel that someone's soulmate is going to show up very very soon, because there is page of wands. You might get a message from someone. Okay, this person, Pisceans, could be this person could be younger to you, is what I'm getting very very strongly. And yeah, this person is definitely going to come and contact you very very soon, is what I'm getting. And they are going to you two are going to be like house on fire kind of energy, is what I'm getting. Okay, you're going to click instantly. And because there is soulmate and twin flame kind of a connection showing up over here, your souls are going to recognize each other instantly. Like, you are just going to click to each other. And next thing you know is you're a couple. Okay, that's what I'm getting very very strongly for someone out there. Very very specific energy over here. And it's like the universe is conjuring to bring you guys together. Okay, is what I'm getting over here. And the King of Swords is showing up over here. King of Swords is telling me that someone out there, Pisceans, you need to be clear in communication. And you should not leave any scope for confusion or ambiguity, because that will lead to more misunderstandings. Okay, so make sure that you are putting across your point very very firmly and very very clearly. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini showing up over here. Okay, I don't know why, but I'm very much getting this energy about someone who who has something going in at their subconscious level. And maybe pay attention to your dreams, try to recall your dreams or synchronicities, or seemingly harmless things, or you feel that okay, that's nothing, that could be something that we brush off as a passing thought. Okay, no, that's not a passing thought. You pay attention to that thought, and there could be your clue. Okay, there could be that message that is so much wanting to come out at your conscious level, is what I'm getting for you guys, Pisceans. Yeah, I just want to clarify what this High Priestess is telling. Please tell me more about the High Priestess, or even the Moon card. The Karma and Six of Pentacles has shown up. Some of you guys might receive money, by the way. Give and take of money is what I'm getting over here. If you have lent money to someone, that person might return your money, is what I'm getting, guys. Okay, and Page of Swords, guys. Yeah, there is definitely someone out there might be actually stalking you. And I told you, right, someone is definitely coming towards you. Okay, very very soon. This person, this is your soulmate. I have no doubts about that. This is your soulmate, and this person is going to come and approach you very very soon. This could be it could be a water or air sign. Strongly water is what I'm getting, guys. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. And this person is actually kind of watching you from distance, is what I'm getting. This person is definitely in your circle, guys. I am very sure about this person is definitely in your circle. You probably interact with this person on a daily basis, but you are not aware of aware that this person likes you or something like that. Okay, Karma card, some of you guys, Karma card and Judgment card, which I had seen while pre-shuffling, it's telling me the same thing, or it's kind of giving me the similar message that some of you guys might kind of face their karma, or kind of have closures to some situation, is what I'm getting, guys. You might get closures to some long pending situations, life coming full circle kind of a situation. You might be closing one karmic cycle, is what I'm getting over here. Okay, you as in along with your family, is what I'm getting, Pisces. Not just you individually, but your family as a whole is kind of closing on some karmic cycle out here, is what I'm getting, guys. Yeah, very very deep and intense energies coming through this card somehow. Okay, anyway, let's move ahead, guys, because it's a collective reading. I don't get much time or much chance to dig deeper into the energies, guys, so sadly I have to leave it there. But if at all it's matching up with you and you want to dig more, you can definitely get in touch and we can get your personal this thing, you know, tap into your personal energy. Anyway, let's move ahead and pull an affirmation card for you guys, which you can keep on reminding yourself this entire month or further as well. Mirror, treat your body like the place, like the palace it is. Such a beautiful energy it is, you know. Sometimes I actually, why would I can't even say that others do it. I myself am not very confident about my body and my body type or shape, and I keep on, you know, questioning myself many times, and you know, so this card definitely I can so resonate with this energy. Pisces, whoever needs to hear this, treat your body like the palace it is. You know, you should always honor and respect the body that God has given us, and we should treat it specially. We must take care of it like we would of a very, you know, expensive object that we have, a palace or a house. You know, we are living in this body, so we must treat it well and we must keep it healthy and fit and fine and clean. Okay, such a beautiful affirmation. If you are putting your health in the back burner, then this definitely is one for you. Okay, eat healthy, be healthy. Okay, let's pull a couple of charms and conclude the reading, guys. Death card. Oh my god, Scorpion energy showing up yet again. So guys, you definitely are going through some major karmic event, guys. Definitely some major karmic incident or event is happening in your life, or closing, a chapter is closing probably for some of you guys. Okay, like divorce or a marriage, or you know, what else can we call, a birth in family. Okay, or ending of some long-term relationship, or quitting a job where you have been for a longer period. Okay, some major karmic this thing event. Maybe repayment of loan. If you had taken loan from someone, you are repaying it to that person, major loan, or that person who has been kind of dilly-dallying or like delaying paying your money is going to come and pay you back. Okay, there is justice card also in your energy, which talks about things getting fair finally, and you might receive that paperwork or legal things, property work could come through for some of you guys. Okay, what is this? Live your dream. Yeah, don't forget to live or chase your dreams. Live your believing in your dreams. Believe in love. Wow. Yeah, by the way, live your dream has come twice, Pisces. Why not? Are you okay? This charm is actually giving me one more message, guys. Are you just all work and no play at all? If that's the case, then this could be a message for you that, you know, life is not just about work, it is about fun as well. So are you doing that? Are you living your life to the fullest, or are you just working? Are you taking those vacations? Are you taking those breaks? Are you going out with your family, with your loved ones, with your friends? Okay, so live your dream, guys. Just don't sit and work if that's applicable to you. Okay, if not, just ignore it. It's anyway a general message. Believe in love, like I said, I have already it doesn't need any explanation, guys. Paris, this charm also has been a kind of a stalker charm this month. So some of you guys might travel overseas, you might go to Europe, you might go to Paris. Okay, and some of you guys are definitely kind of meeting your soulmate. So this charm, I always take it as to be symbolic of love. Okay, or upcoming love that is showing up in your life. Okay, maybe you'll meet your soulmate and you might go to Paris together. Okay, it's anyway a city of love, right? And what is this? Lovely. Okay, this charm is going hand in hand with this affirmation card that you are lovely the way you are. Someone definitely finds you lovely, even if you don't find yourself lovely or see yourself as lovely. So just, you know, just be happy and proud of the way you are, and proud of yourself the way you are, and accept yourself as you are, because you know, the world finds you lovely anyway. Okay, people in your energy are finding you lovely and sweet and beautiful or handsome. So just don't doubt yourself, or don't have any self doubts, is what this charm is telling me. Okay, so Pisces, it was quite an interesting reading, and very different cards had come through. some were matching with the pre-shuffling energy, some were totally different. And well, definitely one thing I would like to know from you guys is, how is this pattern? Do you really want me to revert to old pattern, or you like this new pattern? Okay, do let me know in the comments section. Okay, I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.